Wait, it's kind of awkward. Hold on. Hi, my name is Bella and I'm a sophomore at Westlake University, and today is a Wednesday. It is almost 3 o'clock and we are having a cooking competition within the undergrads. So yeah, come along with me to watch my fellow classmates cook. So this is our canteen, number H5. And here are some chefs.
My name is Yu Hengchang, and here is my partner, Yi Xiaoxiao.
What grade are you in?
Third year.
Third year? Okay. Can you explain to me the dish that you're making?
The dish considering is spring. We're making a dish combination of fish and lamb.
My name is Zhang Yifan, sophomore.
Sophomore.
Yeah, sophomore.
What will you be making today?
Fried rice with egg. Yeah.
They're about to start the competition. Jahe, do you want to say hi?
Hello.
Hello. Oh, it's starting.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the first culinary competition of the Undergraduate College at Westlake University 2025.
Wait, let me show the prize. Oh, we fallen. I got the golden spatula. The first round of food is out. We're trying the first dish, which is chicken. Did you get some? Oh, thank you. Always gotta have chopsticks. Let's try. Ooh! Ooh, yeah. Who made this one? Oy! Lo siento. I'm so sorry. Are you gonna try? Kids are working hard. Ooh. We got fish cooking up in here, vegetable cutting, mixing, and cutting. As you can see, everyone's trying all of the food. And now, there's a little dessert. I'm excited to try. What kind of dessert is this one? Red bean? Red bean dessert. I think it's like a cream puff, red bean type. I'm excited. I'm so full, guys. It's warm. Woo. We've had all the food. Now we're calculating the stickers. Hey.
Have you tasted this?
Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yes. I cooked them.
You cooked this one?
Yes.
Jaho's tallying the scores. I'm so full. I'm so tired. I had one class today too, but it was in the morning. And then I didn't take a nap, so there will be a popular vote. Josh in the background. Josh, wave hi. He's one of the new international students. Hyunjin has to give the award. Anyways, you guys just saw some clips of me at the cooking competition for the undergrads. I hope you guys enjoyed and had fun. I had tons of fun. The food was really good. I'm very impressed with my classmates. And so hopefully next time we can incorporate a little more like international fusion, doing some more Western foods maybe. I think it would be a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed and get ready for the upcoming videos. Bye!